Now let's talk about a pen tool. So the pen tool is here. It looks like a pen. It is the most powerful and the most flexible tool that we can use to draw shapes, but it's also quite difficult to learn from the beginning. So I don't expect you to draw everything perfectly. I just want you to have the opportunity to practice it, and then you will slowly get better at it. So use the pen tool, we can draw straight lines and we can use it to draw curved lines. So to draw the straight line, it's easier. Let me go to the setting here and change it to shape again. So we have the fill and the stroke. You just click, 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 and click. Then you will draw shapes with straight edges, and then you go back to the beginning to finish the shape. And this thing just operates like a shape that we just talked about. You can change the fill, you can change the stroke. Okay. Okay, so what's more challenging is how to use the pen tool to draw curves. You kind of click and hold your mouse and then drag. When you drag, there are two handles, so that will control in which direction the curve will go. And then we just click and drag again to draw another anchor point, and then kind of click and drag, click and drag, like that. So when you drag, just drag a little bit, don't go too far away. And then we can go back to the starting point to finish the shape. If you click and hold this pen tool, there are some other options. Like this one, add anchor point tool. So we can click anywhere on this shape to add one more point so that we can make more control to it. And delete anchor point if you think somewhere we have extra anchor points, we can use that to remove one. And then this one, convert point tool, we can click on it to convert a point from a curved one to a pointy or straight one. So if I click here, and as you can see, the edges turned from soft edges to a straight edge. Let me drag it out to let you see better. So I'm choosing this direct selection tool under the path selection tool. So this is a white arrow, and then I can click on one anchor point at a time to drag and edit it. So as you can see, I just converted this point to a straight one, and then you can change these handles to make adjustments to these shapes. So let me try to make this shape looks a little better. So the further you drag this handle, like the tighter the curve will follow this line. So if you make it shorter, it will not like go too far away, like that. So this definitely need a lot of practice. Let me try try to make it looks like a heart. Okay. Okay, maybe this is a little better. And then I want to convert this point to a sharp point like this. So I'm going to use this convert point tool and then click on it to change it to this straight corner.